Damn, who would have ever thought things would turn out this way? Running for my life in the park in the middle of the day.
Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days
when I was just a little nigga, I looked up to my bigger bro, begged if I could kick it. So when he went out with girls, I could go tagging along, nagging. If she had a sis, maybe could mac a baby hood rat. Y'all remember way back then, when it was 1985, all the way live. I think I was about 10. One of those happy little niggas singing the blues that be always trying to bag with the shag and karate shit. Saying, yo mama black, his mama this, his mama that. Then he get mad and wanna scrap. We stay mad about 10 minutes, then it's like back on the bike to play high.
Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying, 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 partying. Fun. Looking forward to the weekend. Yesterday was Thursday, birthday. Today, yeah, it's Friday. We so excited. We gonna have a ball today. Tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday comes afterwards. I don't want this weekend to end.
Hey yo, what's going on? It's your boy FRE$H Fresh at TheFlyBoyWay. That's TheFlyBoyway. Don't ask why, just check out the channel. And because you guys have been sharing my videos, liking and leaving comments, and YouTube has been giving me a little bit of money, I mean, I went out and did something that I wasn't going to do. Now, these things right here are pretty expensive. But I did want to add another layer to my channel. So I decided, hey, why not go out and buy one of these things right here? What are one of these things right here that I'm talking about? Well, let's open it up and see what's going on. I might have to speed it up right here because it's going to take a while to open it up, but let's go. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we gotta scan this card. We have, and what do we have here? Oh, got it.
You might think you've peeped the scene. You haven't. The real one's far too mean. The watered down one, the one you know, was made up centuries ago. They made it sound all whack and corny. Yes, it's awful, blasted boring. Twisted fiction, sick addiction. Well, gather round, children, separate lesson.
Can we get much higher?
So high.
Can we get much higher?
So high. Can we get much higher? So high. Can we get much higher? So
yeah.